Spanish Digital Nomad Visa, understanding the 180-day rule for residents and tourists. Welcome to Spainguru. Today we're diving into a crucial question for anyone moving to Spain on a digital nomad visa. How does the Schengen 180-day rule apply to residents versus tourists? If you're familiar with the Schengen area, you know that tourists are typically limited to 90 days within any 180-day period across the Schengen countries. Schengen is a group of 29 European countries that are internally borderless. But what if you become a resident under the Spanish Digital Nomad Visa? Here's the good news. Once you have the residency in Spain, your time spent there no longer counts towards those 90 tourist days. Your legal basis for being in Spain has shifted from short stay, tourist, to long stay, resident, giving you a different level of freedom. Now, this doesn't mean you get unlimited travel time across the rest of Schengen. Your Spanish residency is specific to Spain, so when you travel to other Schengen countries, you're still subject to the 180-day rule. In other words, you're allowed to spend up to 90 days in other Schengen countries over a 180-day period, but your time in Spain as a resident doesn't count against this limit. And if this explanation is making the Schengen rules a bit clearer, go ahead and like the video. A quick note on enforcement. With open borders in the Schengen area, enforcement can be minimal. However, during special events, an example could be the celebration of the Olympics in Paris, some countries may introduce temporary border controls. So, if you're flying from Spain to France during such times, be prepared for possible passport scans and overstay checks. To recap, once you have a Spanish residency, time in Spain doesn't count towards the 180-day rule for other Schengen countries. You'll still need to follow the 180 rule for other Schengen countries outside of Spain. And third, enforcement varies, but border checks can happen during major events. That's all for today. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to Spainguru's YouTube channel and smashing that like button.
Oh, and one more thing. Apparently YouTube says you're gonna love watching this video right here. I think you should watch it.